Hello, my dear family members. I hope all of you are preparing well for your upcoming Accenture exam. Today, I'm going to cover one of the most important topic that is not only technical but also some cognitive questions. So please watch till the end. You will be having some pseudo code questions. You will be having some MS Office questions and also cloud-based questions. So if you are watching till the end, then you will be like having some important questions for the upcoming exams. Okay. So guys, if you have not subscribed it yet, then please subscribe it and watch the playlist regarding any company that you want and just click on it. This is like very simple effort. Just click on it. Okay. So let me start with the first question of today's session. So the question is regarding pseudocode. So guys, one thing to tell you, that is all the questions whichever I'm going to show, those are all previously asked in the exam, not in this year but previously asked. Okay, so at first, like, I will not take more time to solve those questions because I have already explained all the pseudocode questions, like how to solve those questions and what are the tricks. So please watch those like recent questions. You will be able to solve this very quickly. Okay, so let me start with the solution. So if you have given your solution, then I'll love it, whether it is right or wrong. Okay, so at first the value of p, q and r are initialized. Okay, so p is equal to 3, so let me just write it. P is equal to 3, q is equal to 7 and r is equal to 9. Okay, so p is equal to 1 plus 4 plus r. Okay, so 5 plus 9, that is 14. Okay, so value of p becomes 14, just forget about it. Okay, so then again p value is initialized, so p plus 3 and q, so p is 14, 3, so 14 plus 3 17 and q, so you have to do bitwise AND operation between 17 and the q, that is 7. Okay, so I hope you know how to convert the binary to decimal, decimal to binary. So like 100 for 8. Okay, 100 for 8 and for 16 this is, sorry, this is for 1000 and 16 is 10,000. Okay, and for 17 this will be 10,001 and 7 means 111. Okay, so if you don't know, then please watch the latest videos regarding pseudocode. There I have explained like fully. Okay, so please watch those. So 17 and 7, if we do AND operation, as you know, in AND operation we have to have both the true statement to get a true statement. Okay, like if any of the statement is false, then full statement will be false. Okay, so here both are true, so it will be true. Here one is false, so it will be false. Here one is false, so it will be false. Here one is false, so it will be false. So just assume here both the statements are false. Okay, so here 1 0, so it will be false as well. Okay, so only one is left, so that's why the equivalent value of it is 1. Okay, so the value of new p is equal to 1. Okay, then again value of p is initialized q and 3 plus p, sorry, q. So q and 3, so q means already 7 and 3, so 7 means in 1 1 1 and 3 means, sorry, 0 1 1. Okay, so for AND operation both are true, so it will true, both are true, so it will be true. Here one is false, so it will be false, so it becomes again 3. Okay, so here q and 3 becomes 3, so q was 7 and 3, so 7 and 3 becomes 3 plus q, so 3 plus this q, so that is 7, so 3 plus 7, that is 10. Okay, so p value becomes 10. Okay, so what will be the value of p plus q plus r? That is 34 is in the option, 25 is in the option, and 24 and 26 and 27 is in the option. So please give the answer in the comment section. Let me just check how many of you are giving right answer in the comment section. Okay, so 34 or whatever it is, so p plus q plus r, so p becomes 10, then q was as it is like 7 and r was also as it is, so 10 plus 16. Okay, 10 plus 16, that is 26. So this will be the correct answer. So let me just tick on the option C. So if your answer is also C, then I love it, and if your answer is not C or not like same, I also will love it. So just put your comment. Okay, I'll try to assist you with the like proper guidance. Okay, so let me just go to the next question. So value of p, q, r are initialized at first. Okay, So if q plus p is lesser than p plus q, okay, so what you have to do, that is, I have mentioned in the latest video, like in the last video, that if in pseudocode they are checking if a plus b plus c is greater than or lesser than b plus c plus a. So in this type of scenario, don't calculate the what is the value of a plus b plus c. As you can see, those both are same. A plus b plus c is also b plus c plus a. Those both are same, so they cannot be comparable. So they are not greater than, they are not lesser than. So whenever this comes, so just being blind and go ahead, like this cannot be same, this will always be false. So at the first, as you can see for this case, I hope this is visible. So q plus p here and p plus q here, okay, so those both are same. So as they are same, so this becomes false. So one is false, then one logical and operation, then one condition, okay. So I'll not check whether it is having some true or false condition. Okay, I'll not check. Why? Because in case of logical and operation, if the first statement is false, then obviously the full statement will be false. Okay, unless, until or unless if the first statement is true, only that case check the second condition as well. Okay, if the first condition in case of logical and operation is false, then don't check further. Okay, don't check this. Okay, so if you check this now, then it will extend your solving time. So please don't solve, just check if this is p plus q and p plus q. Yes, so don't check, because this cannot be comparable. Okay, this cannot be greater than, this cannot be lesser than. So just like end the if block. Okay, end the if block and skip this moment. So print just p plus q plus r, and that will be your answer. So p is 0, q is 7, and r is 9. So 9 plus 7, that is 16. So that will be the correct answer. So option b will be the correct answer. So I hope your answer is also same, and it is okay if your answer is not same, but still if you have tried, then this is like will help you to give the exam in the actual environment. Okay, so let me go to the next question, that is regarding that is regarding cloud based questions. Okay, so what will be the correct answer for this case? I hope this is visible to you guys. So let me just read it for you. That is, which of the following layers of OSI model has the following workflow: segmentation, transport, and reassembly? Network layer, data link layer, or transport layer, or presentation layer? So what will be the correct answer? Okay, so I hope you have answered already. So let me just take the correct answer, that is transport layer. So what happened in transport layer? Actually, at first the data are divided into some segment. Okay, data's, let's say this is the data. Okay, so this at first divided into some segment. Okay, then in case of transport layer, it helps to transport this data to the end receiver. Okay, to the end receiver, and at the end receiver, this is the sender. Okay, and the transport layer will help to transport this data's segment data to the end receiver. Okay, then this segmented data will be assembled again. Okay, reassemble again. So these are the data, so it will be reassembled again. Okay, so I hope you understood. So this will be the correct answer. Okay, so transport layer will be the correct answer. Okay, so I hope your answer is also same. So let me go to the next question. So the basically the next question will be, the next question is this: which of the following which of the following is or are symmetric encryption algorithm below? I think this is not properly visible and options are not available. So let me go to the next question so that it will be easier to understand. Okay, so so let me go to the next question. So the next question is this: which of the following is or are the advantages of application level gateway? Application level gateway. Okay, so actually the questions are not that much HD quality, but still this is understandable and readable. Okay, so which of the following is or are the disadvantages of application level gateway. Okay, it is slow due to extra checking. It puts more strain on computing resources. It does not check the packet itself. So what will be the most appropriate option? Only one and two, only one, only three, or only two? So give me the answer in the comment section, and this will be a quiz question. So let me just give you a hint. The question is regarding firewall. Okay, the question is regarding firewall, and I'm giving you one more hint, that is option 3 will be na this is false. Okay, this is false, so you can go ahead and give me the answer in the comment section. Okay, so I hope this is a quiz question, so please give the answer and engage more in the comment section. This will motivate me to make more content. Okay, so guys, if you have not got the prime materials, then please consider it, and like yeah, please consider it. Okay, so yeah, so what will be the correct answer for this case? Please give an answer. So I hope this is visible to you clearly. So integer x, y, set x is equal to 4, y is equal to 7, and this. So please give me the answer. Okay, so at first the value of x and y are initialized. Then x is equal to x plus y. So x is equal to 4 plus 7, that is 11. 4 plus 7, that is 11. Then value of y reinitialized. So x minus y. So x is 11 and y is 7. So 11 minus 7. Okay, so that becomes 4, and x is equal to x plus 4. So value of x was 11. Okay, plus 4. 11 plus 4 is 15. Okay, print x or y, x y. So x means 15 and y means 4. So 15 and 4, this will be the correct answer. Okay, so like the questions very much seems like swapping. Okay, very much swapping, but they have tricked with this 4. So just like seeing the answer, if you put any option as the correct, then it will not be working. Okay, so let me go to the next question. I hope you understood. So you have to calculate. Okay, so let me go to the next question. Yeah, so the question is regarding MS Office. So yeah, let me just read the question so that it will be easier to understand. I hope this is not fully visible. Okay, so the question is basically sum x2 py2. Okay, sum x2 py2, some product 0 1. So let me just write it. Okay, so some product 0 1 1 0 1, then 100, 200, 300, 120, and 100. Okay, then some product 100, 0, 200, then yeah 0 and 300. Okay, so this is the question. So give me the answer in the comment section. So sum x2 py2, some product 0 1 1 0 1, 100, 200, 300, 120, 100, then some product 100, 0, 200, 0, 300. So give me the answer in the comment section. So if you have already solved, then it's fine. Then let me just explain what is the correct answer. Okay, so in this case, the correct answer will be, okay, let me just at first calculate it. So what sum x2 py2 do? That is sum x2 py2. This helps us to add two squares. Let's say this is x and this is y. Okay, so it helps us to get the square values with their sum. Okay, x square plus y square. So sum x2 py2 helps us to get the value of these squares sum. Okay, so I hope you understood. So, and inside that we have some product. So what will be the correct answer? So this sum product, I hope you know what is the function of this function. That is, it will do multiplication and also addition. Okay, sum plus product. Okay, so 0 into 100. Okay, 0 into 100, that is 0. Okay, 0 into 100, that is 0, plus 1 into 200, that is 200. Okay, then 1 into 300. Okay, so that becomes 300, plus 0 into 120, that becomes 0, then 1 into 100, that becomes 100. Okay, so this becomes 3 plus 2 1, that is 600. Okay, so sum x2 p y2 having the first x value, that is 600. Okay, let's calculate this part. Okay, so here sum product only 100 0 200 0 300 is there, so only you have to add those 100 0 plus 200 plus 0 plus 300. Okay, so this becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3, again 600. Okay, so sum x2 py2 becomes what? That is 600 square plus 600 square. Okay, so 6 are 336 and 2020. Okay, plus the same 36 2020. Okay, double zero double zero, so 36 plus 36, that is 72. Okay, so we don't have to go further, still we can answer this one. Okay, so 72 and 40. So I hope you understood what's the correct answer. Okay, so this is the correct answer. So I hope you understood how to solve these questions. Okay, so let me go to the next question. The next question is regarding, so let me go to the next question. So the next question is here already. So which of the following can be used to quickly and easily fill a graph, a page, or an entire document with text? So random function, or fill function, or rand function, or none of the mentioned options. So the question is asking you that which of the following will help you to fill full page with just single click. So let me just check. So is equal to random, enter, nothing is happening. Okay, is equal to fill. So I hope, okay, let me just zoom it. Is equal to fill and enter, nothing is happening. Okay, so is equal to rand and enter. As you can see, it helps us to get, like, it helps us to fill the page very quickly. Okay, so basically the answer will be option, yeah, let me check. Yeah, the option D will be the correct answer. The rand function helps us to quickly fill a paragraph or page or entire document. Okay, so I hope you understood. So let me go to the next question. So the next question is this: you need to edit the chart name after inserting a chart into an MS Word document. How will you be able to do so? So you have already inserted a chart into MS Word. Okay, so let me just do that for you guys. So guys, again, if you have not subscribed it, then please subscribe it and watch the playlist regarding any company that you want, so that I'll be motivated. Okay, so yeah, let me just insert it. So this is the chat. Okay, so question is you need to edit the chat name after inserting that, okay, in MS Word document. How will you do that? So you have to right click, then right click on the chat type, chat title, chat properties, or chat legend. So let us just get that. So at first, if I right click on this, so there is no option of edit text. Okay, if I right click on this, there is no option of edit text. Edit data is there, but edit text is not there. So if I click on this title, if I get, yes, edit text is there. Okay, so the process is right click on chart title and edit text. So this way you can edit the title, edit the name of the chart. Okay, so option A will be the correct answer. So I hope your answer is also same, guys. So option A will be the correct answer for this one. Okay, so let me go to the next question. So the next question is, yeah, I don't know what happens, but it is not going towards previous. uh yeah, so this is the question. What is the default table size in Word document? And like, believe me, this question was asked on 2024 again, and in the recent drive. Okay, what is the default table size? So this is the one question, what is the default size? Okay, and I have been uploading videos regarding Accenture for the last 1.5 years, so I have got that many questions are asked due to regarding default values, like what's the default font? Okay, what's the default font name? What's the default font size? Okay, and let's say what's the default things are there. Okay, so these default things are very much important. So just know what's the default size, what's the default color, default like all the default things settings are important, so please watch those. Okay, so let me just, so if you know already what's the default table size in Word document, then congratulations. And if you don't know, so let me share it. So for okay, so insert table, and if we do insert, then yeah, let me just remove it, sorry. So if we insert a table, then as you can see, number of columns is 5 and number of rows is 2. Okay, basically 5 into 2 will be the correct answer. Okay, so as you can see, 5 into 2 is the correct answer. Okay, so I hope you understood what's the correct answer. So if your answer is also same, then please give me the answer in the comment section. I love it. Okay, so the next question is, what is the multi-level slide in MS PowerPoint? So again guys, this will be a quiz question for you, so please give me the answer in the comment section. So if you are preparing for MS Word, then please research the question, search the question at Google, then give me the answer in the comment section, or you can just perform the same in the MS PowerPoint and give me the answer in the comment section. Okay, so I hope you will give me the answer in the comment section. Okay, so let me go to the next question. So the next question is this: how will you be able to enter the given symbol in an MS Word document? So the infinity symbol you have to insert in MS Word. So how will you do that? Okay, so let me show. If you know, this is fine. If you don't know, then let me show. So options are open and find the special character in the symbol menu. This is one option. Use the keyboard shortcut Control Alt L. This is one shortcut. Hold the Alt key and type 236 on yeah, on something like, I don't know what is written here. So hold the Alt key and type 236. What is working? Let me show it. So at first, let me show. So this is the symbol option here. Okay, symbol option here. So if we just click on it, let me click on it. As you can see here, the infinity option present. Okay, so if we click on it, as you can see, the infinity is inserted. Okay, infinity is inserted. So let me remove it and let me type Alt 236. Okay, Alt 236, and as you can see, the infinity is inserted. So I hope you understood. Okay, so and also there was one option, that is Control Alt L. As you can see, this is not inserting our infinity. So the option is, option number 1 is correct. Open and find the special character at symbol menu. This is right. And hold the Alt key and type 236. This is also right. So this is the, like, these two are correct and this is not correct. So option 1 and 3 will be the correct answer. So guys, this is like all I had to share with you today. So if you like this video, if you like this channel, then please like the video already, and also subscribe and share this content with your friend, so that they can also take help from this and get the job together. And at the end, again, I will request you to have the prime materials of Accenture, Cognizant, Capgemini, Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, or any company that you want. Okay, this cost like only 79 rupees. Use the UPI ID given in the description box and give me the screenshot of the same at our Instagram handle. I'll send the materials at your Instagram. Like I will send your materials at your email ID. Okay. So thank you for today's session.
Please subscribe to Techno UF and don't forget to like and share with your friends.